So why do a lot of Big Brother Naija stars fall off? Have you noticed that you'll see these people, they have millions and millions and millions of followers on Instagram, but when you look at their comment section, when you look at their page, you look at their engagement, they have like 100 likes, 200 likes. You have 1 million followers and you have like 1,000 likes. What's going on there? Why are they falling off? You see this a lot with Big Brother stars. I'm not calling anybody out, but why? What's going on there, and why? Why is this happening? Let's talk about it. If you're new here, my name is Kenim and you're watching Brand Video Pro. We help brands tell their stories. Now, obviously we know Big Brother has started again, and it's a huge show in Nigeria. People watch it. It's massive. Everybody's glued to their screens and they want to know what's going on with Big Brother. But a lot of the stars from previous seasons, they fall off. Why are they falling off? So here are my ideas about why they are falling off mainly. The first one is have you noticed that as soon as a Big Brother star comes off the show, they're big, they're hot, everyone's talking about them, everyone's obsessed with them. Have you noticed that every single piece of content that they post on social media is branded content? It's not just, no, I won't even call it branded content. I won't even call it content marketing. It's just straight up advertising. Buy this, buy that, buy this, buy that. Not a lot of them are coming from money. So this is their one shot to make a lot of money, because they've gotten all this publicity. Let's make as much money as possible with social media. So they take every single brand deal that comes their way. What happens, and what does this do to their following? People lose interest. People don't want to watch your content anymore. People don't want to consume your content anymore because everything that you create is about selling a product. So the idea of being a content creator is that you create content. And when it comes to content marketing, accepting payments for your content, like accepting brand sponsorships for your content, you have to create, if you really want to retain your audience and keep them engaged in the video, but not only that, keep them engaged in you have to ensure that you seamlessly include the advertising into your content. So when you want to sell people, don't just sell them bam, 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 buy this, buy that, buy that. No. You want to create compelling and engaging content first. That should be your priority. Once you've done that, then you can seamlessly include in the middle of it, hey, why don't you buy this? For example, you're watching Brand Video Pro and we have a members lab which teaches brands and businesses how to increase their influence and sales online. See what I did there? I just plugged my brand and I'm going to move on. I'm still going to give you guys value. I'm still going to explain to you why you shouldn't brand or sell, but you should tell. How about that? Can we make that a nice ring? Don't sell, tell. And what does that really mean? It means tell a story, right? I'm telling you guys a story, but I'm still selling my online course, guys. Check it out. Link in the description or in bio if you're watching on YouTube. So let's get back to this. Most of them all their content that they make is not engaging. It's only about them selling. And so their social media platforms fall off because people lose interest, especially as the show hype dies down. As the show dies down, all the hype that they've gotten from the show, it dies down. And we know that, the eyeballs would remain if your content is engaging because you've gotten over 1 million followers from this platform. You could do a lot with that. You can build that exponentially, but instead you're selling. And so people are losing interest, right? So that's the first way you've seen a lot of these Big Brother stars fall off. The second one, which is pretty obvious, is about attention. As I say all the time, attention is the currency of the digital era. And what we notice when Big Brother is on is that everybody is watching. So right there and then in July, August, however long the show is, people are glued to their screens watching this content. They're obsessed with it. So right now is the most attention you can get. And actually, this is the time, if you really want to just sell products and services, This is when you should do it, because people are just glued to the content of the show anyway, and they will follow your social media because that's interesting. But once the show stops and there's no more content to watch about you, how do you continue to create content as an influencer? And so then this begs the question to brands: should you even approach Big Brother stars to sponsor their content when you know that people really don't care? And should you, when you approach Big Brother stars, should you be working out ways to make more compelling content around your products and services, rather than, hey, sell my soap, sell my hair, sell my wigs? Instead of doing that, how do you make it more engaging to the viewer so that not only do they want to continue to watch the Big Brother star, but they want to buy into your product? Because when you look at these pages, every single thing on their page is an ad. So how's that going to make your brand stand out? Nobody is there to watch the ad. Nobody cares, right? So how do you create content that is compelling and keeps people engaged and keeps people, wanting to view more? So this is a question for the brands that are sponsoring Big Brother stars, and this is a question for Big Brother stars. But hey, look, there's always an anomaly. There are always going to be stars that this didn't happen to, that don't fall off. And what is it that they're doing that is making sure that they don't fall off? When you look at their page, you're going to notice that they make content that is engaging. That's all it is. They make content that people want to see. And no, they're not selling you every 5 minutes. Every post is not a sell. They actually just want to make compelling content that keeps people engaged. So those are the Big Brother stars that don't fall off. So there you have it. That's my opinion on why a lot of Big Brother stars fall off. If you're new here, my name is Kenim, and you're watching Brand Video Pro again. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.